Welcome back to Beauty School. I'm Michaella Bolder, celebrity facialist and skincare expert. Today I'm going to show you how to depuff the eye area. So we're going to add a little bit of product around the eye so we have enough slip to move around. Now this is a really good movement to use to depuff the eye area, especially in the morning or perhaps even in the evening, especially this time of year. Twice a day might be key to help with hay fever season, allergies. If you have a lot of stress during your day, you're staring at a screen, working the eye area at the end and the beginning of the day are two great elements that you can incorporate into your routine. So adding product, smoothing it around the whole eye area. So I am adding a facial oil here, but I'm not going to take the product into the eye socket. You can, of course, use your eye cream, your eye serum, just a product that allows enough slip to move effortlessly around the eye area without dragging at the skin tissue. So starting at the bridge of the nose, we're going to keep this movement going for a few seconds here. This is going to help to open up and stimulate the muscle fibers and letting the eyes know we are going to be doing and performing some eye massage movements to open the eye area, stimulate the muscle, depuff and brighten. Underneath the eye socket, we're working and finishing at the temples and over the brow and under the brow, 2 fingers each side, and we're speeding it up here, nice and light, and you want to be here for 10 to 15 seconds. And now we're going to move on to one eye at a time. So this is where we get our depuffing from. So working our eye area helps to improve the appearance of our crow's feet, fine lines around the eyes, stimulating the muscle tissue, collagen production, lymphatic drainage, and of course the eye brightener, blood circulation. And now we're going to go above the eye. So working 2 hands in synergy with each other, all the way across the brow hair, out to the temples, and I'm lifting the brow with each movement here. So I'm opening up and lifting the eye. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now if you're looking in your mirror, you can probably already see a little bit of a lift in your brow. We're now going to work from the bridge of the nose, really intently and slowly across the eye bone and a gentle lift. And now above the brow using 3 fingers. So front of the brow, middle of the brow, end of the brow. You're going to lift the brow, close the eyes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and out to the temple. Repeating on the other side. So our first movement, swift, and just putting a bit of pressure on the side of the nose and pressure all the way underneath the eye, out to the temple and the hairline. Hold for 2, 3, 4, 5, and then our 3 fingers to lift the brow, front, middle, and end, out to the edges. Now I'm going to bring in a couple of tools that you guys will all have access to at home. I have 2 teaspoons. You can keep them in the fridge inside a vacuum sandwich bag or something that keeps them hygienic. Take them out of the fridge. We're going to use the underneath of the spoons, the cooling, detoxification, and also helping to reduce the blood vessels around the eye area due to the cooling and smoothing of the spoons. We're going to start at the sides of the nose. This feels very calming and very cooling. And we're going to sweep under the eyes to the temples and give us a little pull. This will help to depuff, really using a medium pressure to get a stretch on the eye. Now up and underneath the brow outwards. This is my top tip for all of my red carpet clients. Every morning ahead of their facial with me, I tell them to get 2 spoons in the fridge, pull them out just before I arrive for their facial massage, help to depuff, cool the eye area, brighten, and then final 1, 2, and just drain down the side of the face into the neck. Finally, we're just going to do some tapotment movements. So just underneath the eye area, along the eye socket, 2 fingers, just tapping to help calm, but also just bring that blood flow, keeping that blood flow around the eye area and over the top of the brow. And final sweeps over the eye, under the eye. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just bring everything down straight. I hope you have enjoyed my top tips for depuffing the eye area today, and you can incorporate them in your regular routine at home, and don't forget to put those teaspoons in the fridge. Follow me at Michaella Bolder online for any further top tips and tricks.